Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to all pupils, boys and girls. Okay, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Saya harap awak sihat dan bersemangat untuk belajar bahasa Inggeris hari ini. Today is English. Alright, so today is Monday. Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. And the date is 8th February 2021. Okay, 8 Februari 2021. Okay, our subject is English and our topic is still free time, masa lapang. Okay, so today when you do your exercise in your E1 book, okay, masa buat latihan di dalam buku E1 nanti, make sure you write the day, okay? Pastikan tulis hari, Monday. And then you write the date, 8th February. Okay, pastikan tulis hari dan tarikh dahulu di kiri dan di kanan. And then you have to underline, gariskan. Lepas tu, tuliskan di tengah-tengah tu English kurungan free time. Okay. Okay, so today, before we start, I will tell you what is our activity for today. Apa yang kita akan buat hari ni? Okay, number one, recall last week's lesson. Recall maksudnya kita ulang balik ataupun kita throwback. Tahu throwback kan? Okay, kita ulang balik last week's lesson. Apa yang kita dah belajar minggu lepas, ulang balik sikit-sikit. Okay. And then number two, we will learn important sentences to say. Okay, kita akan belajar beberapa ayat yang penting. Important is penting. Ayat yang penting untuk percakapan, pertuturan yang berkaitan tentang free time. Okay, answer the questions in E1. Okay, so after this you have to answer the questions. Kena jawab soalan di dalam E1, buku E1. And then lastly, hari ni menarik sikit because I want to listen to your voice. Saya nak dengar suara awak. Okay, record your voices and send to my personal WhatsApp. Okay, record suara awak. Saya nak dengar record suara awak dan hantar kepada WhatsApp saya personal. Personal maksudnya PM tepi lah. Jangan masuk dalam grup. Sebab susah sikit saya nak bagi komen kalau masukkan dalam grup. Kalau secara personal, senang saya nak komen mana yang betul, mana yang salah kan. Dan awak pun taklah segan sangat. Orang lain tak adalah dengar apa yang saya komen. Okay? So that's all what we will do today. Okay, so we use your textbook. Okay, textbook. Page 4. Page 4. Okay, page 4. Okay, we want to continue. Kita nak sambung Okay, so last week we learned about activity. Activities during free time. Activities semasa free time. Video games, music, art, reading, watching TV, films, animals, cooking, skateboarding, cycling, photography, sport, shopping, chatting online, meeting friends. So these all are the activities. But now, we look at this. Look at the key phrases and listen. What do the people say? Complete the phrases. Okay, so this is the key phrases, meaning that macam mana kita nak bercakap tentang hobi kita atau minat kita Talking about hobbies and interests. Bercakap tentang hobi. For example, macam kita suka cycling. So macam mana nak cakap yang kita ni suka cycling? Okay, there are many choices. We can choose the sentence. Okay, ada banyak pilihan ayat. Okay, so number 1, number 3, number 5, number 7, and number 9. Okay, this is how to say that we like the activity. Okay, ini yang kalau nak cakap kalau kita suka. Okay, number 2, number 4, number 6, number 8. If we don't like the activity. Kalau tak suka aktiviti tu, tak minat, kita cakap guna ayat-ayat ini. Alright. Okay, so first, I will practice with you together, okay? Kita berlatih sama-sama, you listen to me, and then at home, please follow me. Walaupun saya tak dengar yang awak berlatih, but I hope you can practice, you can repeat after me. Sila ulang, eh. Okay, number 1. Okay, ready? Okay, number 1. I'm interested in. I'm interested in. I'm interested in. Okay, cuba ulang. Okay, I'm interested in bermaksud saya berminat dengan, okay, dengan apa? For example, photography, minat mengambil gambar. I'm interested in photography. Okay, Okay. Number 3. Okay, number 3. I'm into. I'm into. I'm into. Okay, saya ni berminat ke arah apa? Okay, for example, sport. Suka bersukan. Kalau awak suka bersukan, if you like sport, then you can say, I'm into sport. I'm into sport. Okay, boleh isi mana yang minat lah. Terpulang. It's up to you. And then number 5. This is very simple. I like. I like. I like. Saya suka. If you like cooking, I like cooking. And then number 7. I'm good at. I'm good at. Saya pandai dalam apa? For example, art. Art ni seni, okay? So, I'm good at art. Saya bagus dengan art. Alright, number 9. My favorite is okay, ni kalau is ni kalau ada satu. Kalau ni kalau lebih daripada satu. My favorite, kesukaan saya. For example, you like video games, okay? My favorite is video games. Okay. But if you like video games and watching TV, contohnya suka dua benda, and then you can write my favorite are. Kalau dua activity, my favorite are video games and kena ada and watching TV. Kalau ada dua, if you have two hobbies and then you choose Okay, boleh? Alright. Kalau tak faham, ulang semula. So, number 2, number 4, number 6 and number 8 ni kalau aktiviti tu kita tak minat atau tak berapa pandai sangat lah. Okay, number 2. I'm not interested in. I'm not interested in. Saya tidak berminat dalam apa ataupun dengan apa. For example, cooking, tak minat memasak. So, I'm not interested in cooking. Ataupun kalau tak minat haiwan, I'm not interested in animals. Okay, number 4. I'm not into. I'm not into. Saya tak minat apa. For example, chatting online. Tak minat lah chatting online ni, berborak-borak secara online ni. So you can write, I'm not into chatting online. I'm not into chatting online. Okay, and then number 6. I don't like. Saya tak suka. I don't like. Saya tak suka. Kalau tak suka, for example, you don't like music. Tak sukalah dengan music. I don't like music. Ataupun tak suka shopping. I don't like shopping. Okay, number 8. I'm not good at. I'm not good at. Saya tak pandai dengan apa. Ataupun tak berapa bagus dengan apa. For example, apa nak ambil? Cycling lah, cycling. For example ni, awak tak minat cycling ataupun tak berapa pandai nak cycling, naik basikal. I'm not good at cycling. Okay, so after this, I want you to answer number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, and number 9 in your E1 book. Okay, salin dalam buku E1 soalan ni. And then you write the activities here. Kena isi aktivitinya apa. Tulis elok-elok, kemas-kemas. Please keep one line, selang satu baris. And then I want you to record your voice. Rakam suara melalui WhatsApp. Tak perlu video, tak perlu rakam muka. Just suara je. And then send to me personal. Hantar pada saya secara personal lah, PM tepi melalui WhatsApp. Okay? So, jangan takut, jangan malu, jangan takut salah. Tak apa, salah tak apa, it's okay. Kalau salah kita belajar, we can learn. If you don't try, and then you will not know. Tak cuba, tak tahu. Okay, kalau tak cuba, tak akan pandai. So, kena cuba. Walaupun tak tahu, kena cuba. You have to try and try again. Okay, so any questions, you can ask me, you can WhatsApp me. Ada apa-apa masalah, boleh tanya saya. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.